Now, firewall is nothing. It's not a brick. It's not a wall of brick. It's basically another computer, but a very dedicated computer. So this is shown as a brick, but it's a dedicated computer. It's got, oh, its job is to allow a certain kind of traffic, and there are rules you can build into a firewall, and that allows only certain kind of traffic. So this is like a policeman, or this is like a security guy at any organization's entry gate. So if you have a ID card, or if, the guy will allow you inside the organization, otherwise won't. So that's the job of firewall. Now the next level comes that, okay, it's like, I'm getting into the organization, and somehow I have organized a fake ID card, and then I'm going inside with a backpack. The security guy never checks my backpack. What's there in the backpack? Somebody should check in. And that's where the equipments which come in are IDS and IPS. So intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system. Now these are the systems which not only look at, firewall will stop a message which is coming on internet. IDS will look into the content. IDS and IPS will look into the content of that message and take action. Now IDS is basically identifies that this packet is malafide. The content inside this packet is not good, and then it raises an alert. And the intervention for that has to be humans. Some human has to take an action on that. But IDS has said that, yeah, this is a problem packet, you better look into it. IPS goes a step ahead, and IPS determines, based on certain rules, it can take certain amount of actions. Not that it's 100% automatic, but maybe 80% of cases where it finds a malafide traffic,